What's going on, bro chachos? It's your boy Tanner Wideman of BarbarianBody. Today I've got a vlog. I'm so excited to show you this. A lot of crazy stuff happened this day. I do want to make mention though, I'm still a beginner at the vlogging, so it won't flow as perfectly as like a Casey Neistat, but I do my best and I will get better with time. So just bear with me. Let's get straight into it. All right, just rolling up to Walmart. We got to grab some groceries here. Meat and vegetables.
Pull the bag.
Nope. Yep, got myself locked out. Focusing on the vlog, and the keys are in the trunk. Alright, just got the car back right now. You feel like such an idiot when that happens. Everybody's just looking at you, and it was because I was trying to vlog for the first time in public. Brought my camera, had to take it off, and then this old woman ran into the back of me. Luckily there was no damage. She was not looking where she was going. Alright, here we go. For lunch, this is about half of those rotisserie chickens, thigh, wing, breast, the green beans, the peas, microwave those, and then we got some of this delicious fruit. Over the past few weeks, I've had lawyers reviewing this contract for an app development company that reached out to me, and we're going to be creating a BarbarianBody app. I am so excited for this. I think app construction will start sometime later this week. He'll send it back to me. I'm not entirely sure the direction that I'm gonna head into it, but it's gonna be a bunch of exclusive content, and it'll be available on the App Store and the Android Store. So stoked. And today was really cool because today was launch day for the brand new mass building program. So what that looks like for me on a daily basis is working right here in my kitchen, okay? In case you guys don't see the kitchen, I guess we'll make this like an apartment tour as well. So I just launched the mass building program today. We had a couple dozen guys get in there from the pre-order previously. Today as well, a bunch of guys that are enrolling in the program. And then I've also got like a ton of guys hitting me up on DM, asking questions about it. So I think I gotta be a little bit more clear about what's required equipment-wise, but super exciting and super fun. All right, so now it's time to film one of my educational videos. This one right here is a forearm workout that you guys can do at home. The reason that this is a good video is, this is what I strive to do with all my videos, is to have really creative exercises and unique things that you don't normally see on YouTube. So I think I killed that with this one. I'm excited to record it. Now I gotta get into it. Alright, just pulled up to the LCBO. The only thing is though, today's Valentine's Day. I'm going in there by myself. I don't look like some lonely ass alcoholic. I need some booze to do some editing and get some more work done. It's time to work, it's not time to chill. Typically midweek, I'll definitely need a few drinks to get through it because I'm just gonna be there continuously working. Look at all this, by the way. This is all BarbarianBody stuff before it actually started. So we'll get this rocking here. I accidentally left out all the food. So we will get this rocking with my vintage Sauvignon Blanc of 2016. That's an old bottle. This thing here cost me literally $13, so we're getting classy up in here. Honestly, I didn't even know you could get bottles of white with a cork in it, but you know, that's how fancy we are right here. Only the best around here. Warm wine, as you guys saw, it's straight off the shelf. We're gonna have to put ice cubes in here. All right, so I'm about to make some pasta here, but am I the only one that does this? You never actually use the decorative ones right here. They will never get touched, they're only there for decoration. I only ever actually use like the bag stuff. I guess it's just me. So I guess we're gonna do some kind of crib style. I mean, I'd be pretty interested to see what's in everybody else's fridge. So this is what we got. If you can count right there, that's 1, 2, 3, 4 chicken carcasses. It's just quick and easy. We've also got these fruits that I just picked up right here. Got my bottle of wine. Right here, we got some baby cherry tomatoes. Delicious. My mom just hooked these up. Here we got some nice spring mix. Very delicious. I love making salads, putting in cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, peppers, and this is the dressing that I've been using. I like this stuff. I only recently started liking it like 2 months ago. Balsamic vinegar. It's dope. And in this green Tupperware right here, we have some ground beef with ragu. And that's gonna be definitely going with those noodles I'm making right there. There's some more of it in the bowl. Just gonna heat that up soon. And here are the condiments that we're rocking with. Obviously, front and foremost, good old sriracha. Mayonnaise for tuna, sweet and sour sauce for chicken fingers on the weekend, ketchup for, well, pretty much anything. Then here's my milk and my cream. And when it comes to what's in my freezer, right here, we just got some frozen green beans, frozen peas. I like this stuff simplistic. And then just right here, we got some like Angus burgers. And obviously filming inconsistency, but I forgot to put this in. Just got some peas and green beans. I de-thawed these earlier today. They just need to be heated up in the microwave. And then in here, we've got oven roasted turkey breast. This is for snacks. I tossed this on some of my multi-grain bread. And then I also put on sriracha on that. I literally put sriracha on everything. And right here, we've got the living room right here. We got the couch. I got my money tree back there. It's dying. When I moved into here, it was so cold. A lot of the leaves just kind of died off. Here's the TV where I watch all kinds of YouTube videos. Sometimes I'll watch Netflix. Right now I'm on the series Shameless. And this guy right here is probably like my BarbarianBody mascot. It's an iron, look at this, an Iron Knight. You can even open his little hood. You know how many times I think of Scooby-Doo when they're running through a mansion and there's always the monster in here? That's what I think of every time I see this guy. And then as we walk down here, the hallway, this is the main bedroom. So, as you can see right here, this was originally intended to be selfie mirror. The only thing is, pictures don't really come out that great here compared to the bathroom mirror, especially because these lights are so white. So I'll have to figure it out. I do enjoy the mirror though, it's really quite big. So this is the apparel that we've got going on here, and I am loving these, okay? This is the charcoal gray tri-blend, great fit, super soft, looks great. This is the white tri-blend, same thing, and then the black one. This one isn't actually even mine, it's my buddy's, but kind of took it on him when I was at his house on the weekend. That's the apparel, I'm really liking this. I just hooked my mom up with one of the hoodies, my dad up with one of the t-shirts, I got one of my other boys a hoodie, and I got like a bunch of other, I got a bunch of my friends, all of this apparel, hooked it all up. It looks really good. The hoodies though, man, I do like those. That white hoodie, super great. It looks so clean. If I've got the Snapchat video, then I'll just try and toss that in right here. All right, we got a big old package here. We got, oh, look at all this merch. So much merch. Get yours now. I'm super pumped about this hoodie right here. So much merch. Here we are. This is actually the original apparel for BarbarianBody. This is the original logo for all of my old school subscribers who can remember. And yes, it's supposed to be me. There you guys go. I know it's a little bit of an abrupt ending. I'm telling you, I'm really trying my best to get good at this vlog thing. Be sure to let me know what you liked in this video, what you want to see in the next vlog. I'm probably gonna put out one of these a week just to start with, just so I can get the hang of it and get a lot of footage. And then other than that, be sure to give your boy a like down below, and also be sure to subscribe for weekly workout tips and nutrition tips that you'll not want to miss. Thank you so much for joining me, you guys. See you in the next video.